I'm pretty confident that you know how to copy files, but I would like to share with you one tip today. Like this way to create copy of files is amazing, simple, and eventually will remove a lot of headache when you have long paths and you are using the full path. This video is part of a series named How To, and the main idea here is to deliver real quick an answer to your question or regular questions that we have every single day. So let's jump to the terminal. We are here. Let's create a folder called file. And inside this folder, there is no file. So let me create one simple file. File over here. In general, what will happen is, okay, I'm in this path. I would like to copy this file. I can do something like copy file, file.backup or BCK. Something like this. And I can be sure, MD5 sum, they are pretty much the same, okay? Okay, Wally, this is nothing new. So let's remove file.bck. We are here again. Let me get the path. Sometimes I need to do things like this. cp root file and then file. And then once again, /root file file.bck. And this is going to work in the same way. Got it? All right, let's go to the tip now. File bck. Copy or cp file. I'm going to pass here braces and then comma dot bck. So check this out. Let's analyze this command. What I'm saying is, hey, copy, go on, get this file and create a copy with this extension. So check this out. Now we do have two files. This one is the copy of that file. And what we did here was just passing the extension after the comma. Okay, this is good. This is nice. Can I do this passing my complete path? Definitely yes. So the nice point here is we are going to remove all the rest. Braces again, comma. Let's close the braces and voila. Neat, huh? Totally deserves your subscription. Can I confirm that this file is the same? There we go. We can see the hash, the checksum. They are the same file. Okay, let's give it another try. I have one file here, similar to the real life. I have my lib python 3.6 site package dnf package.py. This is a file. Normally, 99% of the time, I see people, developers doing this. Okay, I like to create a copy of this. Then my copy will be bck, exactly like this. But now, you know, now you are master on this. You not never ever again do this. Definitely, you will remove this one, add your braces, comma, close the braces. Let's remove the pound from the beginning. And there we go. Now, if we take a look on the file, we can see that we do have two files. And if we take a look on the checksum of them, they are the same. They are a copy. Cool, huh? That's it, folks. This video was straight to the point, how you can create a copy, like avoiding duplication. This is pretty neat when you're creating your bash script. This is very useful and can save you a lot of characters, space, and definitely will keep your script beauty. All right. This is part of a series called How To. The main idea here is to deliver real quick a response for the questions that we have in our daily basis. If you are enjoying this kind of format, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know in the comments below which kind of questions do you have and that you would like for me to respond in this kind of format or in any other kind of format that we do have in this channel. So don't forget to subscribe in this channel. I will really appreciate it. Also, we do have the Discord channel. Feel free to join us and share your doubts, ideas, feedback. You will be very, very welcome. All right. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.